Customized SRR M1300 specifically for sanding MDF veneer. The first sanding frame can be lifted separately when not in use, while the second and third sanding frames are precisely